The power of numbers. Mastering exaggeration in English jokes. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our series on storytelling and jokes. Today, we're delving into a really fun topic. One that adds a lot of flavor to English humor, exaggeration. Specifically, we're going to explore how to use numbers and quantities to create exaggeration in jokes. By the end of this video, you'll be able to crack jokes and tell stories that keep your listeners rolling with laughter. First, let's quickly recap what exaggeration is. Exaggeration in humor is all about overstating or magnifying something to a humorous or absurd level. And guess what? Using numbers and quantities is one of the most effective ways to achieve this. Now, how exactly do we exaggerate with numbers? One common technique is to use ridiculously large or small numbers in a context where a normal number is expected. For instance, instead of saying, "I told you 1,000,000 times," you could say, "I told you 1,000,000,000 times." A quintillion is such a huge number that it's almost never used in daily life. Using it in a simple sentence like this is a clear and funny exaggeration. Alongside numbers, quantities are also great tools for exaggeration. Let's take a common phrase like, tons of time. Now, we can't literally have tons of time, as time isn't something you can weigh. But that's where the humor comes from. The absurdity of the phrase creates a clear exaggeration. You can experiment with other measurements, too, like, "I have a gallon of homework," or, "She has a mile of patience." Practice is the key to mastering exaggeration. Try to insert exaggerated numbers or quantities into your everyday conversations. Remember, the key is to use numbers or quantities that are obviously unrealistic for the situation. This absurdity is what makes it humorous. Well, there you have it, folks. A brief but comprehensive guide to using numbers and quantities for exaggeration in English humor. I hope you had as much fun learning as I did teaching. Remember, exaggeration is all about being playfully unrealistic. So don't be afraid to push those boundaries. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be telling stories and jokes that are larger than life. Until next time, happy learning!